Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Google Center Tracker on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your PC. In the search bar, type Google Center Tracker and press enter. Click on the official Google Center Tracker website from the result. Once the site loads, you will see a colorful Christmas interface with Santa and countdown to Christmas Eve. To track Santa, click on Track Santa. The map will show Santa's current location and route around the world. You can zoom in or out to see different countries or your own country. These updates in real time so you can follow Santa as he delivers. Google Santa Tracker also has fun activities and games. Scroll down the side and you will find holidays, games, puzzles and videos to enjoy while waiting for Santa. You can play games like Rap Battle or watch short Christmas themed videos. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Google Center Tracker on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.